Now, a new 3 billion shillings animal feed manufacturing facility has been commissioned in Athi River, seeking to support Kenya double milk production, strengthen feed standards and position the country as a livestock powerhouse. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the investment is key to Kenya's ambition of becoming a net exporter of live animals and meat.
Kenya plans to double its annual milk production to 10 billion litres in the next 3 years as it explores new markets. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says private players in the animal feed production will be prioritized during the leasing of idle government land to stabilize prices.
Land commercialization initiative, we are also unlocking government land for structured commercial yellow maize and soybeans, key raw materials in feed manufacturing. Large-scale leasing frameworks are being developed.
In a raft of reforms, Kagwe says structured animal feed reserves will be established to stabilize prices during periods of drought.
That every county that normally faces drought situations is going to build up feed for situations such as the ones that we are experiencing.
Kagwe was speaking during the commissioning of a 3 billion shillings animal feed factory in Athi River, Machakos County, that is expected to create 280 direct jobs and over 1,000 indirect employment opportunities across logistics and raw material supply chains.
This investment is not just about production capacity, it's also about the people. We are proud of the talented team we've built. There's a lot of skilled operators, nutritionists, quality controllers. We also have support staff, all working with, I believe, passion and also professionalism.
Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.